Have you been struggling to understand how to make a histogram? Then this is the perfect video for you. Hello everybody and welcome back to Curious Kira. Today I'm going to be obviously explaining about how to make a histogram. So the first step to making a histogram is looking at your data. Let's take for example Bob's test scores. 63, 66, 70, 73, 80, 89, 90, 97, 99, and 100. The first thing you would do would be to make a table to better visualize the data. In this case, we will have bin intervals of 10. So your table may look like this: 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, and 100 to 110. Remember, if your data point falls between bins, then you round the number up. Then, after you're done organizing your data, you put what number falls exactly in the middle of each bin. In this case, it would be 65, 75, 85, 95, and 105. In the third column, you will put a tally of the numbers that fall in each bin. For example, in the bin 60 to 70, there are 2 data points that fall into that bin. Once you have finished your table, you are now ready to construct your histogram. For your histogram, you will need a piece of paper as well as a straight edge. You will draw an X and Y axis. It is important to note that the Y axis is always labeled frequency or count because it is measuring the amount of times a number in a bin is occurred. The X axis in this case will be labeled test scores. The title of the histogram will be Bob's test scores. Now that we have all the labels, we will make marks that represent our bins and frequency using our straight edge. Then we will label each tick mark. This is what it would look like for the y-axis, and this is what it would look like for the x-axis. Now we just simply draw our bars. You can pause the video if you would like to practice on your own. But if not, here is what the final product will look like. Thank you so much for watching Curious Kira. I hope you found this video helpful. And please remember to like and subscribe. Remember, I'm trying to get to 1 million views so I can get a dog. Thank you. Bye.